Hi guys, welcome back to my channel JoSum Vlogs. I am Jo, and today I want to wish all my fellow Indians a very happy Vinayaka Chavithi to you and your family. Na Telugu friends and family ki happy Vinayaka Chavithi Subhakangshalu. No. Vinayaka Chavithi Subhakangshalu. So today I'm wearing this beautiful sari and jewelry to basically represent my culture, my Indian culture and tradition, and enjoy this festival time with friends and family. And amazing food at the festival days in India are the most fun days because we have the entire family gathering and cooking together, having food together, enjoying, playing games, cousins, friends, something we all look forward to every single year. So today I made one sweet dish that is Poornalu, which is, I think, passed down from generations. Like my mom used to make it, my mom still makes it for festivals. Her mom used to make it, and I'm sure my grandma's mom also used to make it. This dish is basically passed down from generations, and it is a very tasty dish. I am ready, but my family is getting ready downstairs. By the time they get ready, I'm going to make these sweets and pack them up and go to temple and give it to the temple as prasadam today. Drain the water from the boiled chana and put it into the wok. With the spatula, keep mashing the chana. Add a cup of jaggery. Add 2 crushed cardamoms. Finally, a spoon of ghee. Turn off the heat. Let the mixture cool down. Now the chana filling mixture is cool and ready to be made into laddus. So make one laddu, put it in the mixture that we made earlier. Make sure it's nicely coated with the mixture. Take these coated beauties and slip them into the kadai like this. Let these cook well for about 5 minutes. Once they are cooked brown like this, you can just go ahead and remove them. So I got the Poornalu out of the heat, and Vinayaka Chavithi special Poornalu are now ready. There you go. And this is how we kick off our Vinayaka Chavithi celebrations every year. I'm missing back home because in India we have a huge family and we all gather, and it's usually fun. It'll be a great celebration either ways, but we definitely are missing back home and family today. Lots of love to the family, and happy Vinayaka Chavithi to you also. There you go, guys. The punugulu are ready. I'm going to pack these up and take it to the temple. Do comment, guys. Watch it. Do comment so I can respond back. And I want to get your feedback. So let's make it interactive. నేను చేసిన పూర్ణాలు ట్రై చేయండి, నాకు చెప్పండి ఎట్లా ఉందో, బాగుంది బాగలేదు ఏమన్నా పర్వాలేదు చెప్పండి ఎలా ఉందో. ఓకే బాయ్.